Ratchet animation.
Bitch, I'm listed down, I rock this shit forever. She came to the spot, I broke her fucking back end down. Staring at her body with quake, pounds of cash in that quake. I can't buy no BBL, I need to buy this nigga drink jacket. I love fine Chris, they never switched up on me, big factory. It's a line with fur AK for a fucking zip jacket. I got Gen 5 double cups and I'm pill packing. Finna call Will, phone has been too long, Rob lagging. DB5 energy, yup, 6.5 energy, yup. In a fucking check account, had to bounce up out the club. I heard that nigga card bounce. This look clear, cream soda, make it look like dark stout. Fuck it up, 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 fuck it up. I'm deep in that mud, too stuck, Bentley truck, tune it up, but it had the bread, but he fucked it up. Give me 10 feet, pussy Hollywood as hell. I hopped in my bag again, ain't see nobody else. Oh well, pockets was on swole, now they patty milk. Where the baddie step, these niggas play, we get the largest belts. I don't give a fuck about that bitch or how the fuck she felt. That nigga fucked up all his wealth, that's the cards that's dealt. RP Street, Worldwide and BMG, both of them.
Lyrics came down, I'm thinking about Sunday.
You know what I'm saying? I grew up out this judge shit. Count up. Hit the dealer, pull off, pink slip, just like behavior cards. My bitch too bad, too conceited, she don't even see our boys. Hit the show, too teeted, they ain't stay for your set, beat it boy. She thought you top trill, till she fucked around and linked the boy. I ain't never had shit, I'm ballin' on you, niggas, I'ma need this forever. He a has-been, but you can get back in your spot, nigga, get it together. Walk up in that spot, show the big roll, Lord knows. I ain't never had shit, I'm ballin' on these niggas, Lord knows. I ain't never had shit, I'm ballin' on these niggas. I ain't never had shit, I'm ballin' on these niggas. I ain't never had shit, I'm ballin' on these hoes. I ain't never had shit, I'm ballin', Lord knows. I ain't never had shit, I'm ballin' on these niggas. I ain't never had shit, I'm ballin' on these niggas. I ain't never had shit, I'm ballin' on these hoes. I ain't never had shit, I got it, Lord knows.
Yeah. 1,400,000 degrees, now I'm out of here. Pour 4 or 5 of the lean, now I'm out of here. Yeah, just pop me a bean, now I'm out of here. Put a bad bitch in Celine, now she out of here. Pocket stuffed up, evergreen, boy, we out of here. If she ain't for the whole team, get her out of here. I won't hotel, G shit for real. Got the streets on lock, bitch, I can never fail. I give her hell, then I get Chanel. Hit her with that wine, now she under my spell. Feel like James Bond, number 9 for my smell. Yeah, my bitch slime, RSG got clientele. Mansion in the dark, I'ma park and make a film. Fuck her from the back, oh shit, I'm really him. I don't fuck with niggas, bitch, yeah, I feel like Zell. I don't fuck with niggas, shit, that's because I'm 1,400,000 degrees, now I'm out of here. Pour 4 or 5 of the lean, now I'm out of here. Yeah, just pop me a bean, now I'm out of here. Put a bad bitch in Celine, now she out of here. Pocket stuffed up, evergreen, boy, we out of here. If she ain't for the whole team, get her out of here. I won't hotel, G shit for real. Got the streets on lock, bitch, I can never fail.
She the one. He be counting up commas like I'm saying something. I haven't soldier like Obama, nigga, I pay it $100. This bitch look like the White House, all these flags in this bitch. I like a bitch with smart mouths, them I'm sad, but barely fit it, but I love fashion. Bitch, I must admit it. Hey, these silver man, why they fucking skinny? She said she want you lit. I'm finna pass her a Henny. I let her meet my mama. Now she know she the one. Ain't be counting commas like I'm saying something. I haven't sold you like Obama. Nigga, I paid a $100. No cow, I paid a $100. Call my sweat that honey pack, these bitches coming. This little hoe, she start my tongue and say I'm on the scene. These niggas ain't no name. Rolls Royce truck, I need a fucking coach. And my shooter in her back, just like Christmas. If that bitch pretty as fuck, she gon' have me blushing. I see you, I get the clutch.
Season 10, this that fucker best friend. This that pull up low, they thinkin' they high like 5 out the gym. This that niggas been stealing the swag, they know damn well they ain't event. This that niggas ain't rich, they broke, tryna come around just to get a lend. Okay, these niggas in trouble, it's fuck 'em, I'm finna expose them, they too undercover. This for my mama, my daughter, my missions, I clean up her dinner, upgrading her sucker. These niggas suckers, they with it, we pull up in business and beat the fuck out 'em in public. Had to go crazy just for them to say that they hear me. Now bitch, I been feeling discovered. Hold on, I came back from the dead, now bitch, I feel alive. Niggas been poppin' that shit, it's a lie. You're rich and your brand ain't incorporated. Spinning that shit, I'm a villain. I shit on these niggas, they thought I was constipated. Laboratory, they been tryna get in it. Let's try to link up my infection with I'm live than all of you niggas. I put the bitch in the blicker, them youngins gon' load up and get them. They catch them and stretch them. 223, it ain't missing a beat. We gon' pray up to heaven and step in the levels. I try to make back like a Jeep. I been moving the street. Every slang that I throw, they try catch. Every time that I step on the scene, I just want them to test me. They know that I been living reckless. I'm loving myself, I been having a fetish. I'm ready to eat, I been counting up lettuce. Oh, I got them hitters, they ready to go. That ain't a model, I bought her a bottle and fucked on her bottom until she was so. I'm on a slab, jumping out of a cab. On a Z like a Zoans and bitchy Pico. I'm the realest, the illest, the richest. I know that they know and I know that they know. Nigga, oh, make a bad bitch come carry my load. Come in a circle, they feeling alive. Man, these niggas 200 to scale. Oh. Fuck it, let's run it, I let go my pride. I go to work on my kids, my child. These niggas better just stay up inside.
Yeah. Let me call my twin real quick. You know what I'm saying? I got Snake finna pull up the studio. I phone with him, I don't know like that. Hey, come to the studio though. Hey B, come to the studio right now. Studio. Tryna outwalk me, that's impossible. Let's talk about it. All black chrome heart belts, I went martial arts, let's talk about it. They keep dirt on my name, stirring my fame, but I ain't even worried about it. My bitch got that new body, SIT with the wide body. Big house like fire lines, G6, no paparazzi. Bitch chase, not a stone cloudy. Fuck it, I just bought 10 watches. My maid came with a maid, she need help to clean my estate. I'm so. I went with the Utah shit, it was too cold. Fuck it, we in the ladder down. Yo. Hey, YB, what's up? Also, what? Maybe I'm ready to trip. Niggas not ready for him. I'm the reason niggas sipping that drink and talking with lips. I'm the reason why it's with fashion, not pop your shit. I'm the reason all these bitches bragging about the life.
Now she know she the one. He be counting commas gon' say something. I haven't soldier like Obama, nigga, I paid $100. This bitch look like the White House, all these flags in this bitch. I like bitch with smart mouths, them I'm sad about this shit. If you don't come with a large amount, I need a pair of little bitch. Cost syrup in my piece, I spit my racks, bitch I'm sick. This bitch keep on rolling, like a Honda Civic. But it's all too strong, I can't let you hit it. Then the new drill in, I can barely fit it. But I love fashion, bitch I must admit it. Hey these silver man, why they fucking skinny? She said she want you lit, I'm finna pass her a Henny. I let her meet my mama, now she know she the winner. Ain't big count of comments, like I'm saying something. I haven't soldier like Obama, nigga I paid $100. No cow, I paid $100. Call my sweat that honey pack, these bitches coming. This little hoe, she start my tongue to say I'm on the same. These nigga ain't no name. Rolls Royce truck, I need a fucking coach. And my shooter in her back, just like Christmas. If that bitch pretty as fuck, she gon' have me blushing. I see you, I get the clutch.
I am an addict. I want the cabbage. I want the baddest. Her ass the fattest. Couldn't go rattle. Picked her up in that Brabus. She wagging on smashing. She said I'm the captain. I am an addict. I want the cabbage. I want the baddest. Her ass the fattest. Couldn't go rattle. Picked her up in that Brabus. She wagging on smashing. She said I'm the captain. Chanel drug out of habit. I swear I can swag way harder. I might pull out like Dan and charge her, but my car do not take a charger. She done gave me a hell of an offer, but I'm high so I beg you to pardon. She try get me here but she ain't party. Then 1 second just out of your day to realize I bet rapping like Martian. I got white with my knee when I'm dusty. Hold on, I think I'm broke nigga talking. When I'm in the trench, shake the guys and 40 Glock under my armpit. And I stay in the marsh, I link with the God. We all got a bondage. I know when it's hate, I'm one with the earth. I know all the elements. He thought he ate, my 999 is not an elephant. I took off the hood just so he could breathe, my car is a elephant. How you say I'm irrelevant when I'm the reason these niggas relevant? Reason I'm relevant, reason I'm relevant, reason I'm relevant, I got the hell of you. Reason I'm relevant, reason I'm relevant, reason I'm relevant, I was intelligent. Reason I'm relevant, reason I'm relevant, reason I'm relevant, I got the hell of you. Reason I'm relevant, reason I'm relevant, reason I'm relevant, I was intelligent.
Bitches wanna pull up on me, she wanna party. Gas tank, this shit loud, smell like farts. Gas tank, smell like loud, feel like I'm 14. I got racks on my cup, yeah. I put racks in my cup, yeah. I put racks in my cup, yeah. I put racks in my cup, yeah. I'm just having fun, I'm still popping all these drugs, yeah. Every time I see my car, I get a bitch a hug, yeah. Don't talk about your ex, fuck that lame ass scrub, yeah. I'm a bad bitch, I gotta be a thug, yeah. I work hard just like me and speed. Pussy ass nigga ain't never did shit me. Pussy ass nigga ain't never did shit me. Pussy ass nigga ain't never did shit me. Let the music speak, let the music talk. I'm a bad bitch, I try to walk. I'm a bad bitch, I don't even need no Glock. Yeah, I'm stinging a pussy, nigga, I feel like a wasp. Fly nigga, that's how I can be, yeah. see. Fly bitches, only thing I need. Money, only thing I see. What you mean? She won't fuck, she wants something clean. She won't fuck, she wants somebody. Only fuck, only catch me. Got a bitch, why you so damn mean? Got a bitch, why you so damn mean? She like nah, why you so damn fleet? Need my kids on her teeth, she need to brush her teeth.
I've been low, shit, I ain't love it first. I've been low, shit, I ain't love it first. Free do free, I don't know it. Free do race up. Say it again.
Tim Ellie, you stink. She blowing up my phone, I can't answer. I'm pouring up drink. Every time I withdraw, I break the bank. SRTs in foreign cars, that's me in my game. I make her throw the YBL while I hit it. Until she let me fuck, I spent one night in her city. I'm celebrating by the pussy. Hit gritty. I bet we slide when that pin drop like jerk. This hoe just squirted on my brand new Very Money shirt. I'm on the moon like Apollo's in the alert. Pop out like Curry off that pick, that 30 brown burst. D.O. waited on the rival, he won't see a nurse. I need to see a therapist, I've been going through it. Designing couch, take your clothes off before you sit on the Lord. I say ready, ain't gotta get ready yet, yeah, let's do it. She ain't wasting no time, she getting straight to it. Tim Ellie, you stink. She blowing up my phone, I can't answer. I'm pouring up drink. Every time I withdraw, I break the bank. SRTs in foreign cars, that's me in my game. I make her throw the YBL while I hit it. Until she let me fuck, I spent one night in her city. I'm celebrating by the pussy. Hit gritty. I bet we slide when that pin drop like jerk. This hoe just squirted on my brand new Very Money shirt. I'm on the moon like Apollo's in the alert. Pop out like Curry off that pick, that 30 brown burst. D.O. waited on the rival, he won't see a nurse. I need to see a therapist, I've been going through it. Designing couch, take your clothes off before you sit on the Lord. I say ready, ain't gotta get ready yet, yeah, let's do it. She ain't wasting no time, she getting straight to it.
Bitch. Wait. Nigga like me got racks. 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 Nigga like me got Nigga like me got racks. Nigga like me got racks. Nigga like me got stakes. Nigga like me got stakes. Shot it right there, throw it back. 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 Okay. She look bad in that IMG to say, okay. I been pulling up with all these drums, I got bass. I been putting come all in your motherfucking face. That's my bae, what's up bae? I ain't talking about chain. I got racks in my cup, I been sipping today. That little bitch, want smoke me, nigga I spray your face. Your bitch ass ain't fine, nigga, boy your ass gay. You ain't blood, you ain't power, you ain't bass. I got bitches fuck, know me tryna show me they freaks. I got freaks in the back tryna get. I'm immortal in this bitch, you can't shoot me. Most of these niggas be talking about me, but won't do nothing back. When I see their ass again, I'm gon' show them something. I don't give a fuck with your brother, nigga. I don't give a fuck what he did, what he done. All my bitches bad and they got big buns. Yeah, all my switches got 5 speech guns. Yeah, all my niggas keep 5s, better run.